Averages, mean, median, mode and range. Select 4 different whole numbers between 1 and 9 inclusive such that their mean is 6, their range is 5. Right, you need 4 numbers. Because the mean is the average, that means the total, because there's 4 numbers, is going to be 4 times 6 is 24. So they're going to add up to give me 24, and then there's going to be a difference of 5. So the biggest number, take away the smallest number, is going to be 5. So it's not going to be a massive difference between. So if I perhaps start by perhaps taking a 9 and a 4. 9 and 4 has got a range as 5, so that could be the biggest and smallest, which makes 13. So my other 2 numbers will add up to 11. The 2 numbers that add up to 11 that are different, yes, 5 and 6. So one answer for this question would be 4, 5, 6 and 9. The second one. A fifth number is to be added to the 4 numbers shown. The mean of this new larger set of number is bigger than the mean of the original of 4 by 1. So let's find what the mean of these 4 numbers are. Alright, so if I add them up, the mean is the total. 6 add 10, which is 16, add 15, which is 31, add 21 is 52, divided by 4, half is 26, half it again is 13. So the mean of them numbers is 13. That means the new mean, because it's increased by 1, is equal to 14. Alright, because 13 add 1 is 14. So the new mean is 14, and there's now 5 numbers. So 14 times 5 is 70. Because the original 4 numbers added up to 52, 70 take away 52 is 18. So the new number must be 18. The next one. The median of 3 numbers is 6. So I've got 3 numbers and the middle number is 6. Both the range and the mean are also 6. So the mean, because there's 3 numbers, 3 times 6 is 18. So they're going to add up to 18, which means my 2 missing numbers must make 12, because 12 adds 6 is 18. So because they make 12 and they got a difference of 6, let's have a look at 2 numbers that make 12. 10 and 2, they got a difference of 8. 3 and 9, have they got a difference of 6? Yes. So the answer to that one would be 3 and 9. So x would be 3 and y would be 9. Right, the mode is the most common. Okay, so which one of these is the mode? And the answer to the mode is 7. The range is the biggest take away smallest. So it's 11 take away 4, which is 7. The mean is add them all up. So 7 add 11, add 6, add 4, add 7, and then divide by 5. So 7, 18, 24, 28, 35. So it's 35 divided by 5, which is always also 7. And the median, let's put them in order. So it becomes 4, 6, 7, 7, 11. And the middle number would be 7 there. So they're all 7. And I've shown they're all 7. I've had to work them out. Each of the 5 numbers is increased by 1. Circle true or false. So if they're all in order, it'd be a 5, a 7, an 8, an 8, and a 12. So the range stays the same because there's still a difference of 7 because both numbers have gone up 1. The mode now becomes 8, so that one has increased by 1. The median becomes 8. And the mean, if you add them up, 5, 12, 20, 28, 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So that is true as well. How to find the mean from a frequency table? They're telling me there are 6 matches with no points scored. So the total number of matches there would be 0 times 6, which is 0 with points in. The next one will be 1 times 5 is 5. The next one is 3 times 11 is 33. And to work out the mean number of goals, now you add these two up, which is 38, and then divide by how many games they are. So the mean is 38 divided by 22. It's a calculator question. They're asking for it to 2 decimal place. So 38 divided by 22 is 1.73. So the mean is 1.73. Write down 5 numbers that satisfy all the following conditions. They all are between 1 and 9 inclusive. Right, so the median is 6, so the middle number has got to be 6. The mean is 5, so the mean is 5 times 5 is 20. So that means the total of the numbers is 25. So the 4 left add up to 19, because 19 add 6 is 25. The range is 7. So the range is 7, and it doesn't tell us the different numbers. So let's try 9 and a 2 in there. So that means 9 and the 2 make 11. Add the 6 is 17. So the other two numbers must make 8. So I could have 2 add 6 make 8. So that could be a 2 and a 6. Or I could, okay, there's one set. There's lots of different answers for that. And any set that gives you, where the difference is 7, and they add up to 25 with 6 in the middle.